At first, going to school felt like a big adventure. I wasn't sure what it would be like. Would it be noisy? Would I know anyone? What if I missed home? It was okay to feel unsure at first. But I learned that school is a place where I can learn new things, meet friends, and have fun. Every day has a routine, like waking up, getting dressed, eating breakfast, packing my school bag, and heading out the door. When I get to school, I say hello to my teacher and classmates. Sometimes I feel excited, other times nervous. That's okay. If I need help, I can talk to my teacher, take deep breaths, or ask for a quiet moment. At school, I get to do fun activities like reading books, drawing pictures, building with blocks, learning math, and exploring science. I also learn how to listen, take turns, and follow classroom rules. Learning is something we all do together. During breaks, I can play outside, eat my snack, and talk with my friends. It's important to include others and be kind. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly. I might drop something or make a mistake. That's okay. When the school day ends, I pack up my things, say goodbye, and go home. I can tell someone about my day. Going to school helps me grow, try new things, and feel more confident every day. I am learning, making friends, and becoming more independent. And that's something to smile about.